Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to connect bass knob easy method. Power off the amp and unplug it, then remove the knob and loosen the pot nut carefully so you can access the lugs without stress. Trace each wire to its lug and photograph the layout. Match colors or positions when reconnecting, secure the nut, replace the control plate, and test at low volume to confirm proper operation. When wiring the bass knob, stay patient and methodical. Confirm which lug is input, which is wiper, and which is ground before soldering. Keep wire lengths tidy and strip 1/4 inch to ensure good contact and clean joints. If unsure, use a multimeter to test continuity and rotation response while the control is accessible. After soldering, heat shrink exposed connections and reassemble, then test at low volume to protect your speakers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy repair guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite fits neatly on your workbench and lets you read manuals or relax between soldering passes, which is honestly perfect for gearheads. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want a lightweight reading companion, and now let's get back to the video. Troubleshooting is mostly about isolation and simple fixes. Start by wiggling wires to find loose connections or cold solder joints, then resolder as needed. If you hear scratchy noise, clean the pot with contact cleaner and rotate it to distribute lubricant. Confirm wiring order with your photo, and if the issue continues, try a replacement pot to rule out internal failure. Finish with a final low-volume test to ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.